Hello everybody, Calvin here. And Wally's at a sleepover with his friends, so he's not going to be in this video. But I am so excited. Today we have a fidget cube. I've always wanted to try one of these. I've never tried it. So let's just get unboxing to this. I've always wanted to try one. Okay, so now we take it out. Take it out of this, and boom, look at that. So, real quick, let me show you what the sides are. Okay, so the first side right here is 5 little click buttons. The next side we're gonna go to is this one. You can just move this around. And this one is just a little joystick and an on and off switch. That's fun. And then there's this one where you kind of just move this ball around and move these grooves. And then the last one is just this little, that's hard to see. Just this little thing with the finger pad that you just kind of move. But that's it for the video with the fidget spinner unboxing. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!